Zui. Yeah, so here's your stage. Okay, so the teacher is Yuki, and then so you are going to play the. Yeah. Okay. So try your best. You don't need the score. You just memorize it. Very good. Okay. Let's see. Very good.